Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the PS5 God of War bundle. What I have here is the physical PS5 edition. I'm going to unbox it, show you what comes inside, then I'm going to show you how to connect it to your TV or monitor. Now first thing first, let's open the box and show you what comes inside. And to do this, all you have to do is just peel off the little top right here, or you can cut it with something, but what I usually do is just peel it off. Then you have a box. Inside the box you have to pull this out, and let me see if I can do this without getting up. And there we go. Alright, so once we have that outer box removed, we're gonna open it here, and here we go. So we have another storage. And here the first thing that comes with it is the power cable. So it's only a cable, cool thing, doesn't come with the whole power brick. And we have the controller. Now let's look at this controller. It comes with the white controller. Beautiful design. This is definitely by far the best controller. I do like the Xbox controller, but this one just looks more futuristic. It just feels better on the touch, and the best thing of all, it does have built-in battery, so plug in USB-C, get it charged, and then play. I'm not sure how long the battery lasts, which I'll find out once I start using it more, but really cool looking controller. There's definitely a lot of features on this controller. I'll go over that a little bit later, but let's see what else comes inside. And here we get the voucher for the game. Now, even if you get the physical or the digital version, you will still get this voucher. So it doesn't come with the physical disc, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's see what else we have. And then we have the mount. Since you can have this PS5 horizontal or vertically, it comes with this little mount. There's a screw here. I'll show you how to do that as well. But that's something you should think about, like how you want to place your PlayStation 5 and where you want to place it, because it is very large and heavy. So that's something to think about. And we get this little, what is this, like a safety guide, instructional manual. It is a thicker book. And let's see what else we get. We get the USB Type-A to USB-C, that's to charge the controller. And that's about it. And I guess I forgot, we also get another quick start guide, another thick booklet. And this will actually help you explain how to do the whole mount. Yeah, here we go. So this is the page you want to look at if you want to do it for vertical or horizontal. So that's what comes inside here. Oh, and I forgot, there's also HDMI cable. A lot of stuff comes inside. Alright, so let's put this back, and you can just take this whole box out. Alright, now the main thing, let's pull it out, which is the PlayStation. Now be careful with it. Go gentle, but here we go. Here we have the PlayStation. Let's remove this from each side. There we go. And now we remove this final little bag. And there we go. Alright, so now that we have it out, let's go over it first. It is very large and it is very heavy. This is the physical version. And here is the disk drive on the front. We have USB-C and USB Type-A. We also have the power button and the disk inject button. And here we go with the side view, a lot of grills for cooling. And then on the back we have the power plug, HDMI, internet, and two USB Type-A's. I'm not sure what this is for. All right, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our mount. I decided to use my PlayStation vertically, so it's gonna be up. And the first thing we're gonna do is make sure the hook is straight up. And then what we're gonna do is make sure you get this little screw that's on the bottom, take that out. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna have our PlayStation, and we're gonna have it this way up, where all the things are facing upwards. Once we have it that way, we're gonna remove this little plastic piece that's located right here. It's just a little plastic, and you can actually put that plastic so you don't lose it. Yeah, so you can put it right here. All right, so now that we have that, we're gonna take the hooks, we're gonna place them right here and make sure it is a snug fit. And once we have that, we're gonna take this little screw and we're just going to tighten the bottom. You can just use your fingers, and there we go. Now it's a snug fit. And now let's try it. And there we go, just like that. Very, very stable. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our cables. So we have the HDMI cable. You're gonna plug one end into your TV or monitor, and of course we're gonna get the power cable, do the same thing. All right, now that we have it connected, all we have to do is click on the power button, which is the bottom button. And here we go, we do get the light. And let me check if my monitor is on. And there we go. And just like that, we have the connection between the two. And now it's telling us to connect the controller. So let's get this little cable out from the box. So we're gonna connect this one to this one right here, type A. All right, so we have that connected. Then we're gonna plug it into our back end of the controller. And now we're getting the light here. And here we go with the setup. I'll show you as much as I can. And now we're going to adjust the display area. I'm using this on a 27-inch monitor, 4K monitor. If you're using it on TV, make sure you have the whole display. For me, as you guys can see, I have all the borders. So you can adjust the HDR. I do have HDR on this monitor. Again, make sure you choose what looks best for you, not just what I'm doing. Sometimes I like it a little bit dimmer screen. I have sensitive eyes, but you can do whatever you want. And now again, adjust the same thing. Let's go like this. And again, another one. Let's do it like this. You can always change the settings later. Now it says insert a game disc. I'm gonna continue without, since so this is again personal choice. I have the same thing on the Xbox. I always go for the low power use. It just doesn't heat up as much, and I would recommend this one, optimized experience. If you use your PS5 pretty much throughout the day, then definitely go for this. If you're gonna use it for 1-2 hours a day, I definitely recommend going for the low power use. And now we're gonna agree with this. Agree, confirm. Now we're gonna do some updates. Hopefully these don't take a long time, but all right, let's do it. 1.1 gigabyte, not bad, couple minutes. All right, I had to skip. It only took 2-3 minutes. Now it's installing that update. It did ended up restarting. So let's see what happens next. All right, press the PS button. All right, so next what we're gonna do is sign in with our Sony or the PlayStation account. If you don't have one, you can create an account. I already have one, so once I log in, I'll show you the next step. All right, next step is to choose your avatar. Let's see, what can we do here? Should I go for the God of War? You know what, I'm just gonna do this one from The Last of Us. Go next. Now you type in your name. Just put in Milo. Done. Okay. Data collection. Let's do that. Welcome to PlayStation 5. And here is the update for the controller. Let's do that a little bit later. I just wanted to show you how the home screen looks and all that. Alright, so that was unboxing and setup of the PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.